This is Maggie the Magic Pitcher. And if you've ever seen a TV show or movie that has to do with magic, you kind of know that they think the magic's gonna go one way, but then surprise, it does something they don't expect, right? So Maggie, she's pretty temperamental, so I can kind of predict what she's gonna do, but I can't exactly. And one of the things about Maggie is she will work her magic cooperatively with you if there's a lot of positive vibes here. So I hope everybody's in a pretty good mood. We want to think happy thoughts, put Maggie in a good mood. We're excited for the day, etc. And one of the things that Maggie can do is that is if I ask Maggie to pour me a liquid of a certain color, she'll do it. If there's a lot of positive vibes, okay? If I don't treat her well, if I smart off to her, it does not go well. But we'll see. Yes?
Is there by any chance a hole on the handle?
A hole?
Yeah.
No. But after this, I'm going to ask you to ask questions. So you are already doing the right thing. That is so awesome. I love it. So, okay, so to start out with Maggie, if you're in a good mood, we're all feeling pretty positive. I hope you're doing well. I would like you to give me some green. Can you give me green? Thank you. So far, so good. Thank you, Maggie. So the next one, I think what I want you to do is give me green. Oh, wait, I meant yellow. Sorry, Maggie, I meant yellow. I already have green. I got mixed up. Sorry, I meant yellow. Well, we'll see what she does. I might have upset her because I get forgetful. But I really wanted yellow. So the next one, I think I'd like to see something purpley, something kind of purpley or violet. Thank you, Maggie. And we haven't seen blue today, so can I have something blue? Kind of teal, Maggie. Maybe it's blue. All right, thank you. And then to close out, let's do some like hot pink. Can you give me something kind of hot pink? Nice, thank you, Maggie. You must be feeling good today because you're doing what we're asking. So now I want to ask you all, if you see this, ask some questions about this because we learn when we ask questions. What questions do you have?
Was there a die at the bottom?
Was it like a die at the bottom? I can honestly answer that one as no. No, there's no dies there. If it was a die, you would have seen some colors there. You know how like dies have colors, so that would have been a cool idea, but it would have been tricky to pull off.
That one's turned yellow.
You remember I did ask for yellow, so Maggie was being kind because I said green. Did you see it green? And then she was nice enough to make that change for me. I can't, like I said, if you upset her, you never know.
Did you put, sometimes there's liquids that you can't mix.
There are some liquids that can't mix,
Yeah, because I forgot what it's called. Cause I noticed,
like oil and water.
like oil and water. Maybe like you use color that.
Well, there was no color in there when we started. So that's a good question, and I love it. You're asking me great questions. So I don't know, like that's a good one. That's a way you could pull that off, maybe. Yes.
Maybe there are liquids that turn different color under different circumstances, like it turning yellow when they do red.
Okay. Maybe this is a liquid that turns different colors under different circumstances. I love that. Are they different temperatures? That is an excellent question, and I'll let you come up and check and see. You want to come up and touch them? And you can answer that one. Some questions I don't have the ability to answer too quick, but that one we can answer. Awesome. What are some other questions? Yes?
Is the light or the room temperature affected?
Are they different?
No, they're all cold.
They're all the same. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you. So, okay, so here's my point. My point is, when you ask questions, that's how you learn. If you ask a question about something, all of a sudden you own it. Your brain is thinking about it and you're looking for an answer. And that is the key to learning. Sometimes we don't get the answers to the questions we ask, But asking good questions will always help us learn something new. And in this class, asking questions is going to be a really important part of what you do, okay? And so I want to talk a little bit about asking